The car battery is a vital component of a vehicle's electrical system, responsible for supplying the necessary power to start the engine and operate various electrical systems when the engine is off. It plays a key role in ensuring the smooth operation of modern vehicles, which depend heavily on electronics. 1. Basic function of a car battery. A car battery is primarily used to provide the initial burst of power required to start the engine. When the ignition key is turned or the start button is pressed, the battery sends an electrical current to the starter motor. This motor then turns the engine's crankshaft, initiating the combustion process that starts the engine. Once the engine is running, the car's alternator takes over, generating the electricity needed to power the vehicle's electrical systems and recharge the battery. However, the battery also serves as a backup power source when the engine is off, supplying electricity to various systems such as the radio, lights, and electronic control units, ECUs. 1082. Types of car batteries. Lead-acid batteries. The most common type of car battery, consisting of lead plates immersed in sulfuric acid. Lead-acid batteries come in two main types: flooded, wet cell batteries, and sealed, AGM and gel batteries. Flooded batteries. These traditional batteries contain liquid electrolytes that may require maintenance, such as checking and refilling water levels periodically. AGM, absorbent glass mat batteries. These are sealed, maintenance-free batteries with electrolytes absorbed in glass mats, providing better performance and longevity. AGM batteries are commonly found in start-stop vehicles and those with higher electrical demands. Lithium-ion batteries. While not common in conventional vehicles, lithium-ion batteries are used in electric and hybrid vehicles due to their high energy density, lighter weight, and longer lifespan compared to lead-acid batteries. Battery specifications. Voltage. A standard car battery is a 12-volt battery. It consists of 6 cells, each producing 2.1 volts when fully charged, resulting in a total voltage of around 12.6 volts. This voltage is sufficient to power the starter motor and other electrical components in the vehicle. This rating indicates the battery's ability to start an engine in cold weather conditions. It measures the number of amps a battery can deliver for 30 seconds at 0 degree F 18 alleys, without dropping below 7.2 volts. A higher CCA rating is beneficial for vehicles in cold climates. Reserve capacity, RC. This rating shows how long a fully charged battery can supply power without the engine running under a specific load. It helps measure how long the battery can maintain essential systems if the alternator fails. Battery maintenance and care. Proper maintenance is essential for extending the life of a car battery. Common maintenance tasks include: checking the terminals. Ensure that the battery terminals are clean and free from corrosion, as poor connections can prevent the battery from charging or delivering power effectively. Testing the battery. Periodic testing can reveal the state of charge and health of the battery. This helps avoid unexpected failures. 8. Ensuring proper charging. If the battery is left unused for extended periods, it can lose charge. Car owners can use trickle chargers or battery maintainers to keep the battery fully charged when the vehicle is not in use. 3. Common battery issues. Several factors can affect the performance of a car battery. Age. Most car batteries have a lifespan of 3 to 5 years, depending on usage, climate, and maintenance. Over time, the internal components degrade, reducing the battery's ability to hold a charge. 401. Extreme temperatures. Both extreme heat and cold can impact